Hey there, cruise enthusiasts! Welcome back to the channel, where we uncover the untold stories of the travel world. I'm your host, and today we're pulling back the curtain on the cruise industry with 10 hidden cruise ship secrets crew members don't want you to know. These are the gritty, behind-the-scenes truths that make your luxurious getaway possible. Let's dive into the countdown. Number 10. Every ship has a hidden morgue and handles deaths discreetly. Cruise ships are like small cities, and sadly, that includes dealing with the unexpected. Every vessel has a morgue, usually tucked away near the medical center, to store bodies if a passenger or crew member passes away. With older demographics on long voyages, deaths aren't as rare as you'd think. Crew use code phrases like Operation Rising Star to alert staff over the PA without alarming guests. It's all about keeping the vibe carefree while handling these situations out of sight. Number 9. Crew can't date or hook up with passengers. It's strictly forbidden. Ever notice a charming bartender or waiter giving you extra attention? Don't get your hopes up. Cruise lines have strict no fraternization policies banning crew from getting romantic with guests. It's not just about professionalism. Companies avoid liability and drama. Breaking this rule can mean instant termination, so that flirty smile is likely just great customer service. Number 8. The cruise I-95 corridor is a secret highway beneath your feet. Ever wondered how crews zip around without bumping into you? Meet the I-95, a hidden corridor running the length of the ship on Deck 0, far below the passenger areas. Named after the busy U.S. interstate, it's a bustling highway for crew to shuttle laundry, supplies, and even themselves between shifts. You're sipping cocktails on Deck 12 while a whole world operates below. Number 7. Crew eats subpar cafeteria food while sneaking guest leftovers. While you're feasting on lobster and tiramisu, crew members are stuck with basic, repetitive meals in a lower deck mess hall. Think rice, beans, and overcooked veggies. To spice things up, some crews sneak buffet leftovers or stockpile snacks from port stops in their tiny cabins. It's a stark contrast to the gourmet spreads you enjoy. Number 6. Environmental waste practices aren't as green as advertised. Cruise lines love touting their eco-friendly initiatives, but the reality's messier. Ships generate tons of garbage daily. Food scraps, plastics, you name it. Much of it's incinerated at night, sending smoke into the air or minimally treated gray water overboard in water. Some food waste even ends up in protected waters, despite regulations. Not quite the green image they sell. Number 5. Crew pay recruitment fees and work in debt for months. Many crew members, especially from developing countries, pay hefty agency fees, sometimes 3 months' salary, just to land a cruise